Para kanya dito, Hilo Hawaii, Capsat Cathy, and Daniel and wife. Dito kanya yun.
Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch long, lonely time, and time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still mine? I need your love. I need your love. Godspeed your love to me. Lonely rivers flow to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Yeah. Lonely riverside, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home, wait for me. Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch a long, lonely time, and time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still mine? I need your love. I need your love. Godspeed to me.
Yeah. Okay, this time, here's something from Eddie Peregrina.
Once I was 7 years old, Mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never richer, we were out to make the steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream like my dad before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about the story just always seemed to bore me, 'cause only those that really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got my goals. I don't believe in failure, cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, story got told, I was running about everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Our songs have been sold. We've traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. About life, my world were children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory. It's on my head to leave behind my brother, I'm still sorry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote a little ones. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world's gonna will I have a lot of children who can warm me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. And will I think the world is gonna will I have a lot of children who can warm me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Once I was 7 years old, Mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Once I was 7 years old.
Dito nga ro, may isang kasunatan ng katukin ni Graham. Naga na. First name na Louis Graham.
Lucas.
Lucas Gayam. Oh my God. O gaya, pampaturog ko ti music yo. Naka-headset ak manipod pa itat tayo rugi. Naka-reingak. Biglang the next nakariingak kat agkan kansyon kayo pala mayat ti boses you cannot rendition youth instruments yo. See you in USA kuna ni ading Rainier Ruiz kuna namo ni Daniel Cabals. I love that song balong amag. See you soon here in Hawaii. Siya ni Liza Cabal. Thank you kuna na niya kapsat ni manang Liza. Okay, ay naku ta agkapi kami to dito bagtaengan nyo kapsat. Dahil tala ang iti request minus mangbay kami dito Hawaii no kasparigan man. Dahil nga rod lyrics ta kat iti oras 12 minutos lang yan apo sakbay iti alas 3 iti aldaw kat dahil iti man ti sagot mi kadagiti agiin nayan ayat itata ng kanito para po sa mga taong nasa labas ng booth naghihintay ng kung ano hinihintay nila. Here's something from the Eye Supply. I was down, my dreams were wearing thin. When you're lost, where do you begin? My heart always seemed to drift from day to day, looking for the love that never came my way.
Then you smile and I reach out to you. I could tell you were lonely too. One look, that it all began for you and me. The moment that we touched, I knew that there would be two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. believe your mind. In my life for everything was wrong. Something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world
Tonight I fell in love with you, and all the things I never knew seem to come to me somehow. Baby, love is here and now. There's
two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe your mind. In my life for everything was wrong. Something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people. Two less lonely people. Two less lonely people in the world tonight.
Out of all the people in the world. Ako kata-itay ko lang nito.
Something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people. Two less lonely people tonight.
Ayan, medyo nakasang iti kastuing orasan na po tanadanon manon. Tintay panagsisinak at we hope po walis ang kabasit langkat na paisam na kayo, napabalse na kayo. Ayan. Ayan kat itit mi nga ruden iti maudi nga sunata kada kayo karuba kat dawati mi iti partisipasyon da kiti DJs nga dumdumog kita tanong da dumdumog ta adit da amin ta awan da amin na napimanaw da. Anyway, so awan lang yun hanta lang agpakot kita amin na din tayo suda. Wala na, awan dan pimanaw dan kat once again, thank you very much Apo for being with us. This has been your Manong June kanti ka anak kanyo nga John Mark nga Rimorpita da kinita na saying goodbye
And God bless.
God bless everyone. Kat dito yun Apo ti maudi nga sonata mi agor kata biru ko man dito napintas nga version na daytoy. O si Kamot baka dakay mo pa yung kablaawan sakbay nga pumanaw ta dito tangatang. Sige, agsaukan.
Thank you amen nga dumngeg. Iti buong programa mi tatangal daw.
Aja lang.
Ayun lang yung alam ko eh. Ha?
Aha, nga rod. Dito yun Apo iti
Asan na yan?
mauding nga sunat niya. Mauding nga kanda.
Hindi.
Anang rod nga, ipartakam tayo. Panunot, Apo. Diyos kumot, Apo. Oh.
Saan ba?
Kaya panunot kilatan. Kat,
Saan ba to?
ulitik Apo ti mangibaga nga into no April to Apo ta maangay nga optical and dental mission dita Barangay Villa Carmen dita Apo balay mi mismo nga atendaran Apo dagiti kakalai nga optometrist ken dentist kat dagiti Apo sa gubani ti mata kan ngep-ngepen umay kayo Apo di jay agpalista kayo itatan as soon as possible tapno maamuamin na ti pasyente nga maikami Apo tinananay nga nadaawag di jay nga aga sayan nga sarasarming kas di nga rod kat maawagan da kiti barangay officials ti Villa Carmen nga makiko-operate da kumaapo kada kami uray no awanin iti official kanyami o uray no awan ti official kada kami. Ayan, anyway dati kat pagsayaatan na po para kadagiti kabarangayan tayo kan kadagiti adda dita kabangibang nga barbarangay nga kaya na iti maagasan nga rod badi ka man nakapanunod ti kantaan barok. So alangin ang timangkitan iti sonatang mabalin nga kantaan kat para kada tayo amin. Kaping aking tinitimpla lagi na lang lumalamig di ko malaman sa tamis tasang walang kibo aking nakatitig, ako't siya'y naghihintay, masagin ang iyong bibig. Buhok na mahaba, iniingat-ingatan mo. Noong isang linggo, pinaputulan mo ito. Marahil ay pagod lamang ang aking isipan, at di ko napansin at hindi tinutulan. Huwag kang mag-alala, di ako iyak, di magdaramdam, kahit nagapatak pag-ibig na minsan na ating dinanas. Sa tulad kong puti, tama lang at sapat. Pitong dati bukas sa aking pagdating, ngayon nakasara at panangga sa hangin. Pag ikaw ay dumalaw at ito ay katukin, kahit mahina pa, ito'y aking sasagutin. Kay linis ng silid, walang nagkakalat, medyas at sigarilyo'y walang naghahanap. Sanggol na nasanay sa ama, ngayon'y natutulog kahit nag-iisa. Huwag kang mag-alala, di ako iyak, di magdaramdam, kahit nagapatak pag-ibig na minsan na ating dinanas. Sa tulad kong puti, tama lang at sapat. Huwag kang mag-alala, di ako iyak, di magdaramdam, kahit nagapatak pag-ibig na minsan na ating dinanas. Sa tulad kong puti, tama lang at sapat. Once again, thank you very much Apo ka Aruba. Kada kami tumanin next week. Iti kasi malang oras, alas 12 kan alas 3. Iti malam dito lang Apo 97.7 Sweet Radio Santiago City. Goodbye and God bless everyone. Twing! Twing! Apo nagbayagan.